Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study from the Vijeta batch. First, ensure you have a dedicated study space free from distractions. Next, gather all your materials, including notes, textbooks, and any provided resources. We will cover 4 key steps to maximize your learning and retention. This systematic approach will help you achieve your academic goals effectively and efficiently. To master the content, watch every lecture with full concentration. Pause when needed to fully grasp complex topics. After each lecture, dedicate about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to consolidate your notes. This active note-taking and immediate review significantly boosts retention. Remember, understanding the core concepts is far more valuable than simply memorizing facts. Consistent practice is crucial for success. After completing a topic, solve all related problems from your study material. Don't just solve them. Understand why an answer is correct or incorrect. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to problem solving. Taking mock tests every 1 or 2 weeks helps you manage time and reduces exam day anxiety, preparing you thoroughly. Regular revision is the cornerstone of long-term retention. Allocate specific time slots, perhaps 2 hours every weekend, for reviewing all topics covered. Remember to take short breaks, about 10 minutes every hour, to avoid burnout. A healthy mind and body are essential for sustained effort. Stay positive, believe in your abilities, and consistently work towards your goals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.